My end, I see that it says 0 inquiries. Is that correct?
Let me check. Yep.
Okay. My name is spelled correctly. My address is correct. All right. And today we are putting in dispute. Amax is currently in dispute, and Waypoint is now in dispute as well. Correct. Waypoint Resort Group,
Okay.
the one we just did.
Yep. That is the address you're saying, correct?
Yes. No. The Waypoint.
Yeah, I already disputed that.
Okay, then that's everything that I need for today. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. You have a very nice rest of your day, and thank you for calling from department.
Thank you. All right, YouTube. So that's how we starting out the video. That's how we carrying it. So today I'm be teaching y'all boys how to dispute y'all credit for the free ski. Okay, for the free ski. Don't mind my hair in the bun right now. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna teach y'all boys how to dispute y'all credit for the free ski because a lot of y'all on here looking to get these SRTs. A lot of y'all here probably striker boys and shit like that. So I'm gonna be teaching y'all some free game for the free ski. So y'all can change our situation. Y'all gotta be out here robbing us, young niggas and shit like that. You feel me? Ain't that right, Caleb? Type shit. But so number one step repairing your credit. Y'all want to download Experian. Y'all want to download. I'm giving them game, boy. All right. So we got 49%. So this video is gonna be quick, short, right to the point. You feel me? So a lot of y'all boys want to get these scats, these Hellcats. You know what I'm saying? These BMW comps. Y'all gotta understand that y'all gotta start taking your credit a little bit more serious. So with that being said, I'm gonna need y'all to do this, right? This free game. I'm gonna need y'all to go on the Apple Store, go on the Android Store, download. If you're in the US, download Experian. Experian is free. Experian is going to be showing y'all Experian report only. It's free. I'm showing everything for the free. Right? Y'all going to download that. That's going to get our Experian report for free. Y'all going to sign up for that. It's going to get our Experian report for free. Now, what is Experian? Experian is a third-party reporting agency. It's not a credit bureau. It's a third-party reporting agency. Y'all going to look at y'all credit report on there. Boom. Y'all going to download Credit Karma. Credit Karma is not accurate as far as like the score because it's a FICO score, but now you hear different rumors that Credit Karma scores is accurate. Now if that's the case, it's accurate for Vantage score. It's not accurate for a FICO score. Credit Karma does not show FICO scores. It show a Vantage score. You feel what I'm saying? But you can use it to look at your report to see the body of your report. Now, a lot of people may ask me, Quality P, you know what I'm saying? When I'm trying to get my credit repaired, what does the lenders look for? Quality P. When I'm looking for my credit, how can I fix it? Quality P. Lenders look for the profile. They don't care about the score. They don't care if you had a 700 credit score because guess what? It's people out here getting approved for Hellcats. They got 680s. You feel what I'm saying? It's about the body of your credit report. Now 600 makes it look pretty, but you gotta think about this. Credit score look at it like a gym body, right? If you fat as hell, you go to a gym and you it's your first day in the gym, you gonna hate it because your ass out of shape. You feel what I'm saying? So credit reports is the body of the mental. You feel what I'm saying? The score is your mindset, but the credit report itself is his body. So they pay attention to the body more than the mindset because of the body gonna tell you everything you need to know. You feel what I'm saying? So with that being said, download Credit Karma. Credit Karma gonna get y'all scores. It's gonna get y'all scores. It's gonna get y'all the body of your credit report. Right? Then two, you're gonna sign up for that. It's free. You feel what I'm saying? Free ski. Instead of wasting my camera footage and my SD card I just bought, we gonna do this shit off the iPhone. We trapping out the iPhone today, big dog. You feel me? So now when y'all sign up for that, it's for the free. You feel what I'm saying? I just told y'all boys for the free. Y'all gonna get that. Y'all gonna download that. Y'all gonna use that. Now y'all gonna use that to see y'all credit report. You feel what I'm saying? What's on your TransUnion? What's on your Equifax? Now I'm gonna get y'all some more free game. And I'm gonna limit this up, and I'm gonna close this video off until the next one. If y'all fucking with it, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, because I'm being uncut, untrue. You know what I'm saying? I'm just giving y'all the game. So now when you look at your report on there, you're going to see what's closed. You're looking for closed accounts. You're looking for charged off accounts. You're looking for collections. You want to take documentation of what's closed, what's open, what's charged off on all 3 platforms. Now when I say platforms, I'm talking about the credit bureaus, the reporting agencies, the third-party reporting agencies, which is Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. You're going to look for them, right? Then from there, we're going to take documentation of that. That's just the accounts. Now we're going to talk about inquiries real quick. If you have any inquiries that's attached to open accounts, a lot of people tell y'all can't touch them. I'm gonna teach y'all some game how to touch them and get them off while that account's still open. But y'all gotta like this video, and I'm gonna tell y'all in the next video because I'm gonna break down each section of the credit report, and I'm gonna also break it down and teach y'all how to make y'all custom letters from scratch. Not no 609 letter, because 609 letters are not powerful no more. Not no templates because they're not powerful no more. I'm gonna teach y'all how to do this from scratch. So you're gonna look at inquiries. You're gonna look for ones that make a separate so you if you're doing it on a piece of paper, you can put inquiries that's attached to open accounts, inquiries that's attached to closed accounts. You want to document them too on Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, right? Then from there, you want to then go into your personal information, which is extremely important, right? Because look at it like this, right? Lenders look for the body of credit to be on point, but they also want to make sure that your mind is intact. When I say your mind intact, meaning like all your data as far as your personal information, you ain't living at 5 different addresses. You ain't, you know what I mean, your name ain't misspelled 5 or 3 different times. You know what I'm saying? And your date of birth really ain't gonna be messed up, but it's gonna be on you as well, like the year that you was born. You feel what I'm saying? Make sure all that match. Now if you got a lot of different addresses, don't worry about that. Next episode I'm gonna teach you how to get that off too. And if you got a bunch of names on there, don't worry about that. Next episode I'm gonna teach you how to get that off too. But I'm gonna upload a letter. Letter should be like right here. Type. I'm gonna upload a letter. Y'all can copy that. But in order to get that letter, y'all gotta subscribe to the channel. Y'all gotta go to the next episode because I'm gonna teach y'all this game, how to get this shit really cracking, to get yourself y'all Hellcats, y'all Scat Packs, for y'all Jack Boys to stop being Jack Boys, for y'all robbers to stop being robbers, for y'all to get some real money out here. Because listen, credit is an unlimited bag, you know what I'm saying? But you gotta be able to chase the information. So, with that being said, like I said, this video ain't gonna be long. It's gonna be sweet, storable. It's gonna be sweet, simple, right to the point. You feel what I'm saying? So I gave y'all some game. Now listen, this the bonus right here. This the bonus. Also free. Everything I'm telling y'all is free. Now I'm gonna teach y'all how to do all this for free. All this for free. Even if you don't got a MacBook, a laptop, I'm gonna teach y'all how to do this shit for free, bruh. Now this is only for the ones that really want to put that work in. If you want to put that work in, listen. It's different ways you compare your credit. As far as like making your letters, I'm gonna tell y'all this now. But the last 2 things y'all need for the credit monitoring websites, that's all free. Because like I said, Credit Karma shows you TransUnion, Equifax, which are free, and it's the third-party reporting agencies. But you also want to go and sign up for TransUnion on TransUnion.com. I'll put everything in the description. TransUnion.com. Sign up for it free. On there, you'll be able to review your whole profile. You're gonna be able to review public records. You're gonna be able to view your full name, your personal information section. You're gonna be able to view your inquiry section. You're gonna be able to view your account section, and you can be able to request a copy of your credit report. Download that, twin. It's free, twin. Get up on that. You feel what I'm saying? I'm only putting y'all boys up on free game because guess what? I'm tired of y'all boys going out here, damn near about to risk y'all life, trying to be Jack Boys, about to get yourself smoky on it. You feel what I'm saying? But then the last website you want to go on is Equifax. Equifax is a free platform where you can be able to view. Is another free website, Equifax, which is a third-party reporting agency. So as I peep, now peep guys, put y'all up on game. I said Credit Karma, you're able to review what? If y'all listening in the video, Credit Karma, you're able to review TransUnion, Equifax. But now that you're cutting the middleman out because it's Advantage Score, and y'all want to know your actual scores, y'all going on what? Y'all going on, y'all cutting the middleman out, which is Credit Karma, and y'all going right to the plug, which is TransUnion, Equifax websites to what? Look at y'all credit report. And when y'all looking at it, what are y'all looking for? Personal information errors. Y'all looking at accounts that's closed, charged off, and in collections. Y'all looking for public records if y'all got bankruptcies. And also, y'all looking for inquiries to open and close accounts. Because I'm going to put y'all boys up on game how to get them inquiries off. That's open, that's attached to open accounts. You go out there and get some more money on. And I'm going to teach y'all boys how to get them inquiries that's off to close accounts so you get some more money on. But at the end of the day, y'all got to pay attention, man. But the video's uploaded right there. The letter's uploaded right there. Go grab that. Go out there. Execute, y'all. You feel what I'm saying? But y'all got to understand this. It's only going to work for the ones that's going to work. You feel what I'm saying? But I do have a Patreon. I'm put that in the description as well. Y'all can go follow that, subscribe to that, where I'll be teaching y'all boys in depth, bruh. So I always been out there searching for information, bruh. And two, what I've been doing is I've been putting myself in classes that teach you the rental car game. So you know what I mean? I've been going to mentors and I'm basically getting educated up on them, getting up on game, executing their game, putting it in my platform. You feel what I'm saying? Because if I eat, we all eat. But like I said, man, y'all need to go do this information and, you know, get back at me in the video. Comment below when done. Comment below when y'all execute the plan, because I'm going to teach y'all in the next episode how to start credit repair. Y'all don't need a MacBook. Y'all don't need a MacBook. You feel me? Y'all don't need a MacBook. Y'all don't need a computer. I'm going to teach y'all how to trap straight up off the phone, bro. Real talk. But it's your boy Qua. Quaddy be the gang. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the video, man. This is the method of how to repair your credit in 2024 for the free ski. It's your boy Qua. Quaddy be the gang. Love y'all boys. If y'all watch this video, y'all fuck with the video, slap a like on the video, man. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Gang.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown.